Trubor Snem jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka Jaka Mrad kabahe lani ka zoo kabadan ha Umtrew Ribhoy district kabalashna bat Sahteng menta di Snem an sa pendep no shen ha kaba an sa pengen riak ru ya barok ki Mrad ki badan menta ha ka Jaka Mrad hanong ba shelong kabatip kum ka pan nong light park Umtrew katanat klau James PK sangma ulaya thu baka jingtre ban pendep ya ka Jaka Mrad ha Umtrew kalaya chakmat bat kermen scam ba an sa pendep kloy bat plino ya kani ka Jaka sa jong ki Mrad uloang baka bakham kongsan ha kani ka jing pendep bante ka Jaka Mrad ha Umtrew kalong ba an sala ban penkan riak no ya barok ki Mrad ki basa ka pan nong light park ka bajutip menchua da ka kerteng lady Hydery park James ulang baka pan nong light park kadai ka barit bha bat kalong ka bakhamma banbu iki Mrad ha kani ka Jaka hendai haba 4 don lat dang hab banbu yaki ulang day na kani ka daw baka sarkar kalapan stand kat ba ban pendep ya ka jingshna ya ka zoo ha Umtrew khanang banbu lot yaki baro ki Mrad ki balari bat set ha ka pan nong light park Ulaong ru bakam long ka basuk ban penbun shu yaki Mrad ha ka zoo ha Umtrew namar kandan kam ya ka pisa James sulong ba anda lapan kan riak lot yaki Mrad ya ka pan nong light park en pen kala no kum ka eco park kanjing te ya ka zoo ha Umtrew kala Sahteng mentala bun Snem wat la ya ka Jaka la dep syem nadu Snem arhajar way kajing he jong ka Jaka Mrad ha Umtrew kalong kumbah nyo puar hektar ha ka bala menjur da ka Central Zoo Authority bante ya ka zoo da ka sarkar jilla
I'm happy to inform that the work for the state zoo is very much on track, and the work is progressing at a good pace, and we are very hopeful that we will be able to inaugurate the zoo, and more importantly shift the animals at the Lady Hydery Park or the Patnong Light Park to the new zoo, because the enclosures are very small, and it is extremely cruel to keep them, but as of now it is something that we have no choice but to keep them there still. But I am really very keen on making sure that we can move these animals from the park to the zoo at the earliest, and that's why we are really working to push this project to its completion.
Are you trying to bring in more animals?
No, as of now, the existing animals which are there will be there in the new zoo. Addition to any more new animals will be something that we will have to at the department will have to examine, because there are financial implications to that. There is also programs whereby there's zoo exchange, animal exchange in zoos. Things like that are there, but these involve certain finances, and we will take a call on that. But as of now, we will be shifting whatever existing animals we have in the enclosures to the new zoo as and when it is inaugurated. What we are thinking of on Long White is to we do not want to use the space there. We will dismantle all the enclosures, and we will try to we are exploring at making it into an eco park, which will be a park where it encourages people, inspires people on the message of conservation and preservation of the environment.